Welcome to part 1 of our immersive walking tour through Spain. Today, we begin our journey in the heart of the country, the grand and vibrant capital, Madrid. We start at the historic Plaza Mayor, where centuries of history echo through the arches of this majestic 17th century square. Just a short walk away, the Royal Palace stands as a testament to Spain's imperial scale. It is the largest functioning royal palace in Europe, a stunning display of Habsburg and Bourbon elegance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we head east to Barcelona. The shadows of the Gothic Quarter tell stories of the Middle Ages. With its narrow stone alleys and hidden bridges, every corner here feels like a step back in time. Towering above the city is Gaudi's unfinished masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia. Its intricate facades are a forest of stone and light, unlike anything else in the world. From the heights of Park Güell, the city unfolds toward the Mediterranean, a vibrant blend of tradition and modernism. Deep in the south, Seville greets us with the warmth of its orange blossoms and its deep Moorish heritage. The Plaza de España is a masterpiece of tile and brick, a stunning celebration of Spanish provinces and history. Every alcove tells a story, rendered in the beautiful blue and yellow ceramics that Seville is famous for. The Rio Alcazar showcases the stunning Mudéjar architecture, a blend of Christian and Islamic artistry. In the Patio de las Doncellas, delicate plasterwork reflects in the tranquil courtyard pools, creating a space of absolute peace. The surrounding gardens offer a lush escape filled with palms, fountains, and the gentle sounds of nature. The narrow streets of the Santa Cruz district lead us through a labyrinth of whitewashed beauty and hidden patios. Finally, we reach the crown jewel of our journey, the Alhambra in Granada. The Nasrid palaces represent the pinnacle of Islamic art, where every wall is a poem carved in stone. At its center, the Court of the Lion stands as a timeless symbol of power and serenity. Water is the soul of the Alhambra, used to create perfect reflections and a sense of endless paradise. The Generalife Gardens offer a final moment of beauty, a summer retreat filled with the scent of jasmine and roses. This is just the beginning of our Spanish adventure. Join us in part 2 as we explore the rugged peaks and hidden gems of the north. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.